elementary art project ideas inspired by famous artists. Students are inspired by Pablo Picasso's artwork titled Woman. They are to create abstract portraits using bold black lines and simplified facial features. Their learning goal is to understand the basic ideas behind cubism and abstract art. Eric Carl's Butterfly inspires students to create painted paper collages. They understand that visual texture can be created using this technique. Renee Marguerite's The False Mirror inspires students to make personal connections and explore self-expression while understanding the basic ideas behind surrealism. Students are inspired by Andy Warhol's Coca-Cola. They create art about everyday objects as they learn to understand the basic ideas behind pop art. Keith Haring's art titled Earth World inspires students to create art that expresses a personal connection in their community. They also strive to understand the diverse artistic expressions and cultural messages. In Falmouth Bay, painted by Montague Dawson, students create movement with a torn-edge painted paper collage as they strive to understand geometric and organic shapes. If you've enjoyed these art project ideas, please take a look at other resources on my YouTube channel, Teachers Pay Teachers store, or Pinterest platform. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another art teacher who might enjoy it too.